Hi, if you like corn on the cob, this next recipe is for you. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and today I've got a special treat for you. Today we'll be doing grilled Parmesan corn on the cob. Now, if corn on the cob doesn't just scream summer, I don't know what does. Though this is a simple, easy recipe. Of course, you have your corn, you have your aluminum foil, salt and pepper, a little bit of grated Parmesan, some olive oil. We use a little bit of basil leaves and a little bit of garlic powder. I like to add a little bit of just shredded Parmesan cheese. It seems to make all the difference. So here's how it all goes together. Okay, so we've got our corn and it's all husked, and boy does it look delicious. You know, corn is just in season right now, so this is really going to be a treat. Okay, so now I'm just giving you the measurements for 2 ears of corn. If you've got more, just go ahead and double it if you're doing like 4 ears. So I've got 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and it's 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. It's 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to kind of do a guess. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and like I said, I add the garlic pepper because I like the taste of garlic. We'll get that in there. Okay, it's 1/4 teaspoon of basil leaves. That's about right. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, we're going to mix that up good. And this is going to be just a wonderful coating for our corn on the cob. Now, if I were home, I would probably brush this onto my corn, but because we're out camping and I don't have a brush, we're just going to kind of drizzle it over our corn on the cob. Just kind of give it a nice good coating. Ooh, it looks so delicious. I really think you're going to like this recipe. Okay, so it's nicely coated. Now I'm going to take my shredded Parmesan and just lightly coat it all. I can smell the Parmesan and it smells wonderful. Okay, so there you've got it. Now we're going to be grilling this. So I'm going to take some foil. Now if you've watched my videos before, I like to use the heavy duty aluminum foil. It just seems to cook better, especially when you're outdoors. We're going to roll our corn on the cob so it's nice and tight. Get the ends real good. Okay, so there you've got it. Now these will go on the grill for 30 minutes, and you want to be rolling them every 10 minutes. So let's see how they turn out. I'll see you in 30. Okay, so I just took it out of the tin foil and it is looking delicious. I think we'll add a little bit of Parmesan on it. And we are ready for a delicious treat. Okay, so if that recipe didn't melt your butter, you get it? Melted butter, corn. Anyway, okay, so if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out our other videos. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining us.